Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. We will be unboxing Yerrf wireless microphone. Thanks to Yerrf for this free sample. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future reviews and tech-related content. Alright, let's get to it. First things first, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Showing contents, we have the Yerrf 2.4G wireless microphone itself, a user manual for easy setup, a USB charging cable, a receiver, and a high-quality carrying case. It's great to see that Yerrf has included everything we need for a hassle-free experience. Now, let's talk about the key features and specifications of this wireless microphone. Showcasing microphone, the Yerrf 2.4G wireless microphone boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that feels comfortable in your hand. It operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency range, ensuring a stable and interference-free connection. You can see right here, it has a built-in LCD screen that displays the battery life, signal strength, and frequency channel. It also offers a working range of up to 100 feet, making it perfect for various applications like vlogging, live streaming, and even karaoke nights. Setting up the Yerrf 2.4G wireless microphone is a breeze. Just connect the receiver to your camera, smartphone, or computer using the provided cable. Power on the microphone and receiver, and they will automatically pair. It's that simple. No complicated frequency tuning required. Battery life is always a concern when it comes to wireless devices. Yerrf claims up to 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge. I've been using this microphone for a while now, and it hasn't let me down. Plus, the LCD screen indicates the battery status, so you'll never run out unexpectedly. If you're interested in picking up the Yerrf 2.4G wireless microphone for yourself, I've left a link in the description below where you can find more information and make a purchase. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from TK Ref.